This is our fluidized bed apparatus. So we have main column here. This is our main glass column filled with glass beads at the bottom. A scale is also given along with the column to measure the fluidized height. This is manometer. It is used to measure the pressure drop across this column. We have this point 1 and 2, and the pressure drop across this column will be measured using this manometer. We have to fill mercury in this manometer. It will go against the water and it will help in determination of manometric head. This is rotameter. Okay, it will give us the flow rate of water in liters per hour that goes through this column. Now at the back side we have this water tank. Okay, fitted with the pump. When we switch on the pump, it enters at the bottom of the column and goes upward and then back to the tank. As it is a recirculation system, we have to keep the flow rate of the water as minimum as possible in the starting. We can operate this valve, open or close this valve to vary the flow rate. Now after that we will increase the flow rate gradually and we will note the point at which the fluidization starts. That means these glass beads will start floating. Okay, it will get fluidized. That will be known as the fluidization point. Thank you.